Good morning. This is Professor Nilesh Gogre, Kikewa College of Horticulture, Nasik. Today, we are going to discuss uh, in detail about topic that is composition of workers and components of soil. For this, we have to know what do you mean by soil or what is the definition of soil. So let's understand the definition of soil. Soil is a dynamic natural body as a result of photogenic processes and during and after weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks means disintegration and decomposition of rocks, which is really consisting of mineral and organic constituents, which possesses certain definite chemical, physical, and mineralogical and biological properties, having a variable depth over the surface of earth and providing a medium for plant growth for land plants, means living forms. In short, soil is a dynamic natural body which consists of or composed of organic matter, mineral matter, and the form in which plant grows. Is a simple definition of soil that is given by father of soil science, that is known as Dr. V.V. Dokuchaw. It is a result of certain pedogenic processes which is responsible for formation of soil from earth crust. Soil develops from earth crust as a result of for a period of 10,000 years to produce 1 kg soil, means 1 kg fertile soil. Let us know about what are different elemental composition of earth crust. Let us see in detail. Elemental composition of earth crust. It is mainly composed of oxygen 46.6% and that physical matter, that physical living soil, which consists of silicon, which almost contributes to 28%. Oxygen and silicon are the two major components of soil, two major composition of our crust. Then there are some certain non-metal and certain metal and non-metal, which consist of aluminum approximately consisting 8%, iron representing 6%, magnesium representing 4%, and calcium 2.4 to 3%. And other elements consist of 5.6 to 6%, which in total contributes to composition of earth crust. The silicon, that is 28% in soil, 28%, which actual percentage is 27.72. That is actual percentage of silicon. Okay, it is in all about elemental composition of earth crust. Then let us study about, in brief, major components of soil. What are major components of soil? These are only four the only four components which contributes to components of soil. That is, first one is a mineral matter. In the figure, I have not shown actual percentage. In the pie chart, in the pictorial chart, you have to analyze it. That black portion consists of soil water, which is 25%. Then white portion, that is air space, or it is called as a soil air, which contributes 25%. Then that faint blue, that is known as a mineral matter, which consists almost 45%. And that dark blue patch is known as a organic matter, It is a very important part or very important component of soil, which consists of only 5%. This is in all about components of soil. Then we have to know actual components. I have not shown in this particular figure, but I will show in next figure. You can see now. That is, it major components are soil water, that is 25%. The water present in a soil, not on the soil, that is within the soil, that is 25%. And water present in the soil, air present in the soil, which contributes to 25%, which is present in macropores and micropores. Then rest portion, that is most important, inorganic mineral metal, which consists of almost 45%. Where does these mineral matters comes? That itself, that particle, that portion that is known as silica, that is 28%, it composes these 45% mineral matters. How are they? The rocks, to produce soil, rocks has to undergo weathering process. That is disintegration, decomposition of rocks into minerals. These minerals compose almost 45%. Then rest portion 5%, that is organic matter, which is very essential for healthy quality of produce. It is known as organic matter. Okay, this is in all about average composition of soil. Then we have to know about in detail composition of earth crust. In detail, I have shown in the last figure, that is actual composition of silicon, that is 27.72%, and oxygen, which contributes to 46.6%, and others are metal, that is aluminum comprises of 8.1%, then iron comprises of 5.0%, then calcium comprises of 3.6%, then sodium comprises of 2.8%, and potassium comprises of 2.6%. Magnesium contributes to 2.1%, and 1.5% are other elements or trace elements, which in all contributes to composition of earth crust. Okay, this is in all about major composition of earth crust, major and minor components of soil. Thank you very much. We will see in the next topic, that is soil physical properties. With this, I am done. Thank you very much.